there is no conceivable rational argument I can now see that would cause people to wonder whether climate change is being caused by human activity. It's the best research problem in the history of the world. Of the 2,000 leading climatologists, only 2 don't agree with what I just said, and both of those have major contracts with existing energy companies. So the bottom line is global climate change is an enormous building phenomenon, and it's building at a rate much faster. This is not something that our children are going to inherit. We are going to be dealing with climate change for the rest of our lives. The next big one comes out of climate change, because it's triggered by climate change, is water. People have no idea. Now, Hawaii's going to do a little bit better because at least you've got abundant rainfall. You've got to rebuild your distribution of water system. But that's okay when you're close to sea level. The biggest challenge will be places like the Ganges River, which starts at the Tibetan Plateau up over 12,000 feet, and it goes downhill.
100 million people.
Well, we can desalinate water at sea level, but how do you get it to the 350 million plus people up the Ganges?
So
how do you pump it to them?
So if this doesn't get fixed, or it's almost inevitable that there's going to be significant population dispersion right now and dislocation.
Well, there's now a new term called environmental refugee. So the 325,000 people who left New Orleans who will never return to New Orleans, those are gone permanently. Right, those are environmental refugees. You've got enormous,
in the developing countries.
Oh, you've got millions already in Bangladesh that have been environmental refugees. So there's the issue of global climate change is enormous because it not only means we have to change our fossil fuel, and what we say in the book is it's such a big issue that every decision we make about replacing the fossil fuel has to be done in the context of global climate change, and that's the truth. So the next big one after energy is water.